Welcome into the channel today. It's Music City Trader. We're in a live trade right now. This is a recorded trade, so I know the outcome. I'm going to show you how we broke over 4,000 in the message in the whole plan today. We're doing a plan climbing up 2% a day, and if you want to get in on this sort of thing, all you have to do is click on the link in my descriptions in my videos. This was a $100 position in a strong uptrend. So I'm going to scroll around in here and try to find the different levels I had. Actually, I had some different time frames. So this is a minute time frame, and let me look and see what the 10-minute time frame. So this is the 10-minute time frame. How it goes is I saw this and it looked kind of crazy, but if you look all the way back, I'm going to see if I can zoom back out of the 10-minute time frame. I was getting excited during this moment, but in the 10-minute time frame, right there, if I can see behind that little thing, right there, it hit this little spot right here at this time frame. It hit this line right here. Okay, and it's kind of hard to see. It is hard to see that. I don't even know why you can't see that in your screen. Okay, there you go. How about that? We'll put it there. So that you can see that it hit this line hard and it bounced off really hard. Then it went under, broke down, broke above it, went down, broke above it, down again. So, I mean, it wasn't obeying it anymore, but that's what this line is right here. I knew that it had broken and stayed hard on this line. And so I'm going to go into the account as well and see where it is now, because this was maybe an hour ago. But it plays out and it stayed above, it stayed above my line. And I think it stayed above a long time. When you look in the 10-minute time frame, it was sort of in a really nice, this is beautifully opened moving averages. Those moving averages are opening up really nicely, and so I was really confident in this, but mostly because of the levels, not just because these were opened up, because these levels here were pretty strong and it broke above that level. So once it broke above that level, it did start to go back down. Look, it started to go back down, and I started looking at it in 10 seconds. And this is where I'm at, and I thought, really it could go either way, but I still got a great position because a better position would have obviously been down here on the 35 moving average, but still I felt like this was a push up above this line. So that's probably why I didn't have to wait till it went all the way down here. It kind of went above that line, then it went down, and when it got down here, I thought, okay, it's probably going to go back up. Now it could have gone either way. Right here, it could have shot straight down. And that's just a game that you play in binary options. So then it goes on, continues all the way up, and then it won right there. See, there's the win, and it says win. So to me, I think this was a really good position, and it shows here that we're breaking over 4,000. So for over 4,031 in the plan, only one single win that we needed today to get this win. Only one single win that we needed. So let me get into the account here, and let's just go back just for fun, just to see where this actually went, because maybe this went down. I think that this was due to go down. So we'll look at the wins here today. Euro JPY, and the win was at let's see what time, if there's a timestamp on this. Closed at 7:45:09. So I probably can go back and find where I was here. Let's go back. Let's put $1 in the trade, just because I don't want to accidentally make a trade. I do not. That's very bad to accidentally make a trade. But here's the line, and wow, and wow, it really did keep going. And I like to kind of look at this because I make assumptions every time. So 7:45 was where I took my trade. It was right in here. It was right in this spot right here. And it kind of went above my line. It probably won right in, like right around in here is where we won. And then look, it kind of flattened out. It went a little higher. It went down again, went through this is the 1 minute, okay? And then it sort of stayed here on this line. This line is very, very strong, because remember last time it came down from way back here, it came down and it hit that line that I have drawn there. It hit that line right here, and it went really hard against that line, and then it went down and went through it, went down, went all the way down, through it, and then it came back up here, and it broke through it, okay? And now that it broke through it, where is it going to end this time? I mean, it's kind of hitting another line right here. See all these little mini lines in this 10-minute count, in this 10-minute time frame. I would put another line, if I were going to continue trading today, I would put another line like right up here, and I would look at this as my next sort of area. This right here, I might even not even draw a line. I might even draw a box because I see I have been drawing boxes a lot more lately. I might draw this box to be kind of like this because it kind of came down, it hit there, and I might draw this box right around here, okay? And then I can say it came down, it hit that, it came down, it kind of struggled in that box, went down below, hit that box again, went down, went up here, struggled at this line where we knew we had that struggle, and then went back up. Now, I would almost take another call here because I think in the next 10, 15, 20 minutes, it's going to go up here. It's going to reach above. Now, it could not. It could be done. I'm not trading anymore today, so I'm not going to make any more assumptions really so for live trades. But like for right here would be a great call. It'd be a great call right here for like 5 or 10 minutes. And because it's hit this line again, and I think it's going to head back up there. I don't think it's done going up. You know, I don't think it is. That's what I don't think. I don't think it's done going up. And so, you know, we just have to keep trading and keep doing everything we can to do as good as we can in every trade that we're going to do. And you can look at the charts that I'm using now. I'm using these awesome, like the Stone Cold Climb that I'm doing. This is something I'm doing. You can look at the Stone Cold Climb and go into the this new. What do I have? A new. My brain is getting a little bit confused, guys, because. Yeah. My brain is confused, but it doesn't matter because we're up. We've got good profit, and we're heading into, you know, really, really great profits, actually. I mean, such great profits that I think that it's just absolutely a wonderful, profitable day. I did win some really good trades on the other account that I'm trading in, on the other, not the other account, the other plan, the Stone Cold plan. I won some great trades in my Stone Cold plan, and I won some great trades in my 2% climb. So I'm just, you know, pretty excited about the whole thing and about all of these little things. I've had some really close wins, super close. This one wasn't really super close to me. This was actually playing itself out above my line. It was a pretty good line, and it played itself out very nicely in the line where I was. So I don't feel like it's a bad thing at all. I feel like it was a really good trade, and I'm just excited that I'm able to start making some of these wins. If you look at my wins, well, we'll have to go back down into my regular view, and I can show you my wins from the week, and then also love to invite you into the Music City Trader Tribe. And the Music City Trader Tribe is exciting because we're just sharing all of these things every day. So when you go into the tribe, you're going to get access. It's in Bolster, and you'll get access to all of inside the Music City Trader Tribe. You'll be able to see them sharing all of our wins, and we got some people in here sharing their wins and talking about their trading. Also, you can download you can watch the free course stuff. It's not free. You got to be in here to watch this, but this is some of the free stuff from the other site in here. And then also you can download trading charts. So you can download these trading charts. Like I'm going to have the Stone Cold uploaded in there. This is the new plan. We had 2 wins in that, and we're just kind of truncating the trading balance and moving up in the different trades. So this one is a full 5 deep martingale, and the other one that I'm using, the one that I've been doing for this whole year, is a 2% growth plan per day. And so it went from $100 up to $4,000. And in a couple months, we're on really close track in this plan right here in the liftoff. I call it the liftoff. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to call it at the end of the day, but I guess I was calling it Hack the Math. But it started with a $100 account, and we're down here all the way down here. We'll be at Christmas. Actually, let's see here. This is a Music City Super. This is the other one I worked on. So all the way at Christmas, it looks like we're already. The thing is I'm already above where I need to be, but every day I just mark it off, and then I put my trading balance. So I think I'm at 40.30 now. So I'm actually at $800 in the surplus, We have $800 in surplus, which means if we have a bad day, we can actually just not worry about it. We can move on. And by the time we get down to what I'm really looking forward to is the day that we get down to our daily increase of about $100 happens in the middle of January. So every day, just making a 2% gain is $100. And we'll also have money in surplus. So we'll have a bigger account. And then if you go down to where the next exciting day is, you're making $200 a day. And that's pretty good income because you're talking about $200 a day. You're talking about, let's see, a monthly increase of $6,000. Okay, that's pretty good. But then not too long after that, in this same plan, you're moving up. If you just keep kind of going around with it, going pretty slow, moving around, you can get to about $500 a day. That'll be by April. So by the spring, talking about a $500 a day increase on just 2%. You can do that with just one trade, or you can use the compounding method that I've been using. Anyway, this is the chart that you can also get. I'm leaving this in the tribe. This is really important. I think that if you guys want to be in a part of the Music City Trader tribe, which I just pre-launched, then it's going to be an amazing time. Just jump in there. Just check the links in the description. And I will see you all on the next video. I've got some good videos this weekend that are coming. They're going to be showing some really tight wins that I can't even believe that they won. And yeah, I don't like it to be super tight like that. But hey, I'm going to take every win that I can and just keep moving the plans up. I'll see you guys on the next video.